Hi kids, it's me, Mr. Frost.
And I'm Jonah.
And today we're gonna make one more op art project. Take a look at this one. This is a really cool optical illusion that uses contrasting colors and curving lines to really make it look 3D. It's easier than it looks, just follow along with us. You're just gonna need some paper, a pencil or a marker to draw with, and something to color with. All right, let's get started. Take your paper and take what you're drawing with. We're gonna use marker so you can see it, and put a dot right in the middle, like that. Now I want you to draw 6 lines that curve away from that dot, like this. I'll make one going this way. Curve them each in the same direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So you kind of have a little pinwheel star in the middle of your paper. Next, we're gonna draw some lines that continue those, but curve in the opposite direction. So this curve to the left, then when it gets here, it's gonna curve to the right, all the way to the edge of my paper. We wanna make a nice smooth curve. We don't wanna have a corner here. So it's curving out this way, and picks up where it left off, and curves in the other direction. I'm gonna do that for each of my lines. Just like that. Now we're gonna start making the curving lines inside each section. I'm gonna start near the middle and make little curves like this. As I come farther out, I wanna make sure that I'm curving these around so that each one starts where the other one was, all the way up here. You don't wanna leave space in between. I don't wanna do it here, here. I wanna start right where the last one left off, like this. And work my way all the way down that segment. As I get farther out, my lines are going to get bigger, but I still start each one where the last one ended. So there's one segment. Now I'm going to do the same thing with each of these other parts of my picture going all the way around. Now that you're done with the drawing, it's time to start coloring. We're going to use colored pencils. Colored pencils work well to get into these small spaces. And it's important to use colors that contrast with each other. Let's go back to my first example. So I chose some colors that would really stand out. I did this set of purple and yellow that really contrasts a lot. I did this set with this neon red and this green that really contrast each other. And that really helps make it stand out. Another thing that makes it look three-dimensional is the way I shaded. You can see with each color I started dark here near the edge and got lighter in towards the middle. If you try to shade like that, it'll really help with your illusion too. I'm going to color mine with 4 colors like I did on this one, and Jonah's going to color his with 2 colors so you can see the difference. All right, let's get started coloring. op art illusion. You can see the difference between mine that I did with 4 colors and Jonah's where he did 2 colors. You can pick the way that you want to do it. I don't know about you, but my hand's tired. Your hand tired?
Yeah.
That was a lot of drawing and a lot of coloring. I hope you stick with it though, because the result is totally worth it. All right, kids, remember you can send me a picture of your artwork to my email or by text message, and I'll include your op art drawing in the student work video that I post this week. Take care, we'll see you later. Bye.